The GizWiz and Mads Maddest writer, Dick DeBartolo. We're playing What the Heck Is It? Ta-da! So this is pretty hard to guess. I actually bought this, and when the package came, I opened it. I buy a lot of stuff online. I opened it, and I could not figure out, of all the things I ordered, what this was. You have any idea? Dennis, any idea what this might be? Giant mustache? Okay. This is, ta-da! The Al Coon 2-pack Christmas Party Inflatable Reindeer Antler Hat Ring Toss Game with rings, Christmas fun for family kids. All right. Oh my gosh. All right. And these, oh, wow. You know what? I think what they do is they fold them up and then use an iron and press them. All right, I'm gonna blow this up for like a couple of, maybe 30 seconds, and then we'll cut. Oh my word. So let us see if this even works. No. Okay, it's a good thing that you get two of them, because this one doesn't work. However, you stay there, and I will show you what it looks like inflated, okay? Hang on, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay. All right, so one of the big problems is, from the reviews, is it doesn't hold air. All right, this one doesn't take air, all right? And the rest of them don't seem to hold the air. However, you could still play the game. Oh, wait, I forgot the ring. Stay there. All right. So the rings did stay inflated, all right? Except this ring won't inflate. I tried it. It's sort of like they really, I don't know what they use to press the things together, but I think what happened is that there's no space in there for the air to go in. This thing is like flat up against. What you have to do, if you have time, or if you buy the game, go around this all the way around and separate the two layers, and it might inflate. It's really a Mickey Mouse kind of thing. But I had a thought. Air duster is compressed air. And I wondered, oh, you want to throw it? Mm-hmm. Good. Yeah, okay. I mean, you can still play it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, try another one. Oh, so that's the key. Not to be more than 1.5 feet away. All right. So basically, everybody says, a lot of people say it's a piece of junk, but kids still have fun with it. I mean, for the price. So this is my thought. You know, air dusters is really just compressed air. And I was wondering if I could use some compressed air to make my antlers. This is really bad. This is really, all right. Let's see if I can put any compressed air in here. I don't know what's going to happen. Oh my gosh.
It's like Viagra.
It's like Viagra for reindeer. Oh my gosh. I don't want to do too much because I'm sure it's going to break. And as you can see, with that. My antlers are dysfunctional. All right, so it's $11 and you get 2 sets. All right. And so here are some of the reviews. Fun, but I had to repair it. I bought a double pack and it's a good thing. It's like me. I bought a double pack and it's a good thing. One of the inflatable antlers was missing. 5 of the inflatable rings were broken. 2 were split beyond repair. Here's another one. Fun idea, terrible quality. Do not buy. Flimsy, poor quality. It made for some great laughs at our family Christmas party. So I think that's the basic thing, is that it's really very poorly made, but you get 2 sets, and I think you will have fun at a Christmas party. I like it. As bad as it is, I like it.